Hello folks, I'm L.A. Little and this is today's short take. We started to look at earnings yesterday. We're going to continue doing a little bit more of that, something I've not done in a while. And that is, look at these earnings before they actually report. We looked at yesterday, Alcoa, they reported this, last night. They're up a little bit this morning, up 1% or so, but this doesn't look like it's going anywhere. And if you look at the ABCD structure also says that. And I'm talking about this structure from here back down and then back up, right? It's just about done. So Alcoa, yeah, they got a little bump, but nothing really happening there. If we look at we can see some of the other stocks that are starting to report or expected to report on the 15th. Let's start with Bank of America. And let's see here. So this one's coming back, has some decent volume. All of these are probably going to have this nice big bar support that's about to drop off the screen on October 16th. Remember, that was the big spike up after the lows on the 15th. And there's big volume support back in that area. So this one happens to be 16.25, which is just under the swing point lows. And I suspect we're going to see those bars tested as this market tries to come back down. So Bank of America looks like it will try to trade lower. Let's look at another one on the same tier, which is Citigroup. This one is also broken, coming back into that same bar. It looks about the same. Let's go down a level and see what the second tier looks like. Here's Ozark. This one's broken multiple swing point lows. Also looks like it's going to trade back into that same bar, which is quite a bit down, another % or so on this particular chart. Let's take two kind of banks or financials that are not exactly banks. BlackRock is one. And BlackRock actually looks pretty good. That one's set up not bad. That one's going to find support and probably trade higher on earnings. And then let's take a broker, Charles Schwab. And Schwab doesn't look too bad. Coming back into this big bar support here, no volume. That one also looks like it will probably hold. So when I look at these financials, the large cap, or actually banks themselves, large and mid cap, at least the ones that are reporting initially, look like they're going to struggle. So XLF does look like it's going to come back to test this swing point low. And if I go to the next tier down, we'll use KRE as a view of the regionals. And that one too is going to trade back into this bar. So it's already broken multiple swing point lows. So the tail of the tape right now is financials are going to struggle as they report earnings, and that's probably not going to help the market. That is today's short take.